Come on. Let me go, then we can get through. Afterwards, after it stops.
Open the door.
That's 4. I don't think I'll be eating off that table. Say hello. We didn't ask you what's your name?
Dang.
Dang, yeah, that's
Dang.
right, we did.
Where did you got it?
I bought this in Da Nang. Do you know Da Nang?
Da Nang is beautiful.
Yeah.
Poisonous spiders.
When I was,
They had lots of poisonous snakes.
there were many poisonous spiders.
Oh, okay.
And that's when I just went to school and running around.
You didn't get bitten? No. No, good. You run fast.
That's not annoying at all.
Con vào, cắt đầu cưa.
Tám giờ.
Quay đến đây, quay một cái là nó thụt lại vào trong mà. Quay đến đây, quay ngược cái là nó thụt lại vào trong.
No germs getting at her. Is there?
Definitely not.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
So they row with their feet, which looks like hard work to me. Easy, do you?
Yeah, I think they're inherently lazy. Kind of dry the rice, don't they, on the pavement? It's weird.
Golden rice is the local.
Definitely hot enough to fucking dry anything. It doesn't seem too bad, but it should be hotter. 48. I had a hot coffee instead of a nice coffee. What's that? Yeah, they're your babies. They look like you. Look at them. Yeah. Go, cheers. Cheapest beer we've found probably ever anywhere. 44 New Zealand cents. It's alright. It's not great. Yeah. They're getting pretty close to our building. They know what they're doing. I'm sure they do. They seem like a pretty professional outfit. He's got jandals on, yeah. The last one broke. I think this one's going to break as well. Get out of the way, quick, man. Incredible. Luckily it snapped away from him. If it snapped towards him,